Welcome back to Instabulls, everyone. So we saw a major breakout today with DWAC in the Instabulls room. Also mentioned them yesterday in pre-market at about $10, jumping up all the way to $175 going to today, over 1,600% on that breakout. I want to make sure we do cover exactly which levels we are trying to hold above to make sure we do not have a continuation sell-off, how exactly I would be playing into this one, and what exact indicators I would be looking for to make sure we do have confirmation on a continuation. And all I ask in return is you smash that like button and hit subscribe if you want to see more chart updates on potential breakouts that we mentioned throughout the week. So let's jump into this one. So I'm going to go over a couple things with you guys here. I'm going to go over exactly how yesterday played out leading into today and what exact level we are trying to climb back above to get more bullish momentum and why exactly we are trying to get back above that level. Again, before we get started, I want to mention that we do alert penny stock and breakout alerts of the day. Again, we mentioned DWAC yesterday in pre-market at about $10. Jumping up all the way to $175 going to today, over 1,600% on that breakout. And we also did mention right before going to extended hours yesterday, we mentioned PHUN at $1.35 as the sympathy to DWAC had that major breakout from $1.35 all the way up to $24 going to today, over 1,800% on that breakout. And after DWAC and PHUN had a major breakout, we mentioned MARK at $1.65, jumping up all the way to $3.28 on the day, over 70% on that breakout. And also did mention BENE at $10.80, jumping up to $18.90 on the day, over 70% on that breakout. So if you guys do want to see all of our breakout alerts of the day, go to instabulls.com in the description below, and you guys will never miss a breakout alert of it again. So as you guys can see here on DWAC, we had this major breakout going today. We did mention in yesterday's video that we had our descending wedge, had this pattern breakout, and had that continuation on up going to today. And as you guys can see, we did have the sell-off and we did bounce right off of the 20-moving average here. We had this bounce. We did not hold the body of the candle above this 115 mark. As you guys can see, we did continue on down, bounced off the 50-moving average here exactly at this point, continued on up and got that rejection exactly at 115 as we could not hold the body of the candle above this point in time. Sure enough, did have that continuation on down going to extended hours. Now looking to see if we can hold the 20-moving average above the 50 going to next week. If we cannot hold the 20-moving average above the 50 going to next week, then we could continue on down. And if we do continue on down, I would be looking to see if we can get a bounce here at $50. So as far as the continuation up, as you guys can see, we have been continuing on up as we have been having the 20-moving average above the 50. We also did have this pattern at this point in time, had the 20-moving average above the 50 showing us that we could continue, and sure enough, did have that continuation. And as you guys can see, right before going to extended hours, we are coming down and testing the 20-moving average on the 50. And as you guys can see, going to extended hours, we crossed down below the 50. Now looking to see if we can bounce back over the 20-moving average. But however, again, we had our major breakout. And if we do continue on down, I will be definitely playing into that bounce at $50. And again, this is not a recommendation. This is exactly how I would be playing into it. But again, if they do get a merger vote date at exactly $50, for example, then I would be considering a swing at that point in time, making sure we do get confirmation on that momentum to make sure we can hold that $50 mark as confirmation. And in my opinion, to get that confirmation, as you guys can see, we would be coming back down all the way down to this $50 mark. And if we did continue on down, now I'll be probably looking to see if we can break above this previous buy pressure point that we had here to get more confirmation to make sure we do hold that $50 mark. And again, $50 mark is very key for us to make sure we can hold above. If we cannot hold over $50, then in my opinion, we could come back down to about $25 as we did have our continuation breakout at that point in time. And again, if you guys do want to see all of our breakout alerts of the day, go to instabulls.com in the description below, and you guys will never miss a breakout alert today again. And everybody that has been supporting the channel, all of you Instabulls that have been coming over and supporting the channel, I appreciate every one of you guys as always. Much love to every one of you guys. Hope you guys have a great weekend. And if you guys do like this video, it does help me find it, and it does help the channel grow. And I do appreciate it very much. And again, God bless you all, and I'll see you guys in the next video.